I'm going to show you how to use SD Customise to morph a field from one table through to another table without getting a developer to write any code. Drill through on the Tables queue in the Role Center and we'll navigate down to the Customer table, where in a previous video I showed you how to add these 3 fields to the Customer table and how to surface these fields onto the customer card and list. Let's take the Industry Sector field from the Customer table and morph the value from the Customer table through to the Sales Header table. So we'll select the Field Morphisms action here in the Fields Fast tab, and we have a choice here of morphing the Industry Sector field from the Customer table to either the Sales Header and/or to the General Journal line. So we'll take an example for the Sales Header, and we get a prompt that the industry sector doesn't exist in the Sales Header table. Do we want to create it? So we'll say yes, and we can take a look at the Destination table card, where we can see the new Industry Sector field has been created on the Sales Header, table number 36, and we can place this field onto, for example, let's choose our Sales Order, Sales Invoice and Sales Credit Memo pages. Choose OK. And now we can choose where on each of the selected pages we're going to place the Industry Sector field. We'll just highlight the field where we want it to be displayed after. And we can see that the field has been placed onto 3 pages. We could also choose to go one step further and add the value of the Industry Sector field from the Customer table morphed through to the Sales Header, and from the Sales Header table onto the Sales Invoice Header table, onto the posted invoices. So here in our Sales Header table, let's choose the Field Morphisms action again, and we have a list of related tables where we could morph the Industry Sector field from the Sales Header to, and let's morph it onto the Sales Invoice Header. We select the record and choose the Enable Disable action, and we're prompted that the field doesn't exist in the Sales Invoice Header table. Do we want to create it now? And we'll choose yes. And let's have a look at the Destination table card for the Sales Invoice Header. Here's our field from the Sales Header table, the Industry Sector, morphed through to the Sales Invoiced Header table. And now let's place this field onto the Posted Sales Invoice document and list. Again, choosing where to place the field. Back in the SD Customise setup, we're now going to publish the extension app that we've created. So we choose the Publish App action, and SD Customise is now building and uploading the app in the background. So this will take about a minute or 2 to upload and publish the app that you've created. So we'll just fast forward on to the position of where the app has been installed. So in our customer card for customer number 10,000, we can see that there is an Industry Sector value of corporation. We'll choose to create a sales order. We can see the Industry Sector has pulled through from the Customer table onto the Sales Header. We'll enter our sales order and we'll post our sales order. We'll ship and invoice it. And we'll open up our posted sales invoice, and we can see here that the Industry Sector field has morphed through from the Customer table through to the Sales Header table and onto the Sales Invoice Header.